Hi there, Lisa or Rana here with a really short and sweet assemble this video. For today's card, it's all about really simple stamping and really simple accents, but an adorable card nonetheless. I am featuring the brand new Winnie the Pooh Forever With You stamp kit from Unity Stamp Company. I've already pre-stamped my image on some Hammermill cardstock, just in a black ink, and then I'm going to do a little bit of ink blending just to kind of add something to the sentiment. I'm not doing a lot to this card. It's very clean and simple, but these little tiny accents and little things just really make the card super sweet, and it's really easy to do. I die cut out a mask out of some scrap cardstock that I had sitting around using the Dashes and Frills Hearts die set from Unity. Then I grabbed the Sea Glass Gina K ink, and I'm just blending that on layer after layer. I really wanted it to be nice and deep and saturated, so I'm using a finger dauber to just kind of blend that over that die cut to get a nice solid impression of ink. It will soak and kind of blend into the paper on its own, so I just set that aside to let it do its thing. Next, I grabbed the Love Story background. I love this background. It's a must-have. And then stamped it onto some craft cardstock, just using some Versamark ink to get a nice watermark image of that text. And then just for a little bit of texture and another element to kind of add to this card, I grabbed some May Arts burlap string in natural. Just wrap that around 3 times and then tied that in a knot. I like the idea of having a multi-loop bow. So in order to do that, I'm going to tie my bow in 2 parts. So I wrap the first string around first, then I'm going to wrap a few loops around my fingers, lay that over the top, and then tie it with that original string. And that's going to create my multi-loop bow. It's just really super simple and easy. And then I'm just going to fiddle with that until I'm happy, and then I just snip off the tails with some scissors. I really love the look of this. It's just really a sweet accent to a card. Perfect, and now I'm just going to pop that up onto my card front at a little bit of an angle. I just kind of like that, just gives your eye something different to look at. I wasn't so happy with those 2 tails, so I grabbed my scissors and I'm going to kind of snip off one set really close to that knot, so it only looks like it has 1 set of tails. And here is our clean and simple card. It's just really sweet with that heart blended behind the sentiment and the bow to kind of finish everything off. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video on my Dollhouse Designs YouTube channel and blog. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Plus, if you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thanks for creating with me. I hope you're inspired, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.